Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you're tuning in. Today, I want to give you a quick tour of the C++ program behind the Cartoon Maze Challenge game, focusing on how it works and its standout features. At the core, this is a classic maze game, but there's a twist, riddles, and interactive elements that keep players thinking, not just moving. Let's break down how it all comes together. First up, initialization. When I start the game, it sets up the graphical environment using GLFW for window management and Glue for OpenGL extensions. Sound is handled by Mini Audio, a lightweight library that brings in-game feedback to life. Then, the game loads images for backgrounds, gates, the player, and goal, giving everything that signature cartoon look. There's also a basic font system for text display. The game runs through different states. On launch, you see the start screen with a title and a big Start Game button. Once you click it, you're dropped into the maze, and gameplay kicks off. The maze itself is a 2D array. Each number represents something different: walls, paths, gates, the goal, and a dynamic obstacle. You move with WASD or the arrow keys. Try to walk into a wall? No dice, you just stay put. But here's where it gets interesting. Gates. When you reach one, the game pauses and throws a riddle your way. Use W and S or up-down arrows to pick an answer, and hit enter to lock it in. Get it right, the gate opens, you score points, and a correct sound plays. Get it wrong? You'll hear a wrong sound and get sent back to where you came from, so you'll have to try again. There's also a dynamic obstacle that blocks your path until you've solved all the riddles. A little extra challenge that adds strategy. Need help? You've got a limited number of hints. Press H during a riddle, and you'll see the answer, but use them wisely. The goal is to reach the exit, but only after every riddle is solved. Make it there, and you'll hear a victory sound, see your time, and the game wraps up. Everything's drawn using OpenGL's immediate mode with textures and colors for that fun cartoon style. There's a HUD up top showing your score, hints left, and elapsed time. To sum up, this code blends classic maze navigation with riddle solving and dynamic obstacles, all in a colorful, responsive package, perfect for flexing both your logic and your reflexes. Thanks for watching.